Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the action button on your iPhone 15. So if you do have the new iPhone 15 on your hands right now and you want to go ahead and use this so-called action button, which is a new physical feature on the new iPhone 15s. While in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to basically use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and of course launch the settings application. Now under your settings option, you will see the name or the specific setting to edit your action button. It will be located somewhere over under on this tab right here, and you can actually view that setting right here. Just go ahead and tap on that to launch the action button settings. Now, as of now, I'm currently using an iPhone 11, which is why it's not showing that specific setting on my device, but I can still guide you guys on this step-by-step tutorial on how to use the action button on your iPhone 15. So once you've already done so and tapped on the specific iPhone 15 action button settings, all we need to do next is to set that specific action button to what we prefer. Now, there is gonna be lots of different options for us to choose from, and one of those is gonna be the camera. We could actually use it for the flashlight. We could also choose a specific focus mode to set our action button to, but the possibilities for you to set your action button onto what specific action it would do is gonna be up to you as well. So go ahead and be creative guys, and use or choose the specific setting that you would like to use for your action button, and just go ahead and tap on save or done to save that setting, and you can actually proceed now with enjoying this new feature on your iPhone 15, which is of course the action. But that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.